Hey guys, just creating a part 2. Miranda has finally decided she wants to do the video for me. So that's good. Alright. So I'll get Miranda to do the video for me. So yeah. Alright. Miranda, wait! You said you were going to do my video, so you can go over there and you can do the video for me. Do the makeup tutorial. Okay, I'm doing it. So go to the camera and do my makeup tutorial, okay? Okay, fine, I'm doing it. I am Miranda. I am Miranda. So, hello, I am Miranda, and I'm going to do the makeup tutorial that Amber has been asking me to do, but I don't want to do it. So, I'll just find some makeup, and I'll start doing the eyeshadow, maybe. I don't know. So, I'll just find some makeup to her makeup drawer. So, it's no makeup. No makeup. Oh, she's beautiful Jones. She's beautiful Jones. She has all chocolate in there. Where is her makeup? Okay, so clearly she's a liar and told me she has no makeup. I'll look in here to see if she's hiding, like any makeup or something for me. She technically has no makeup. So she's a freaking liar. Get in here! Get in here! I just have to go and get her. Get in here! What is it, Miranda? You don't have makeup. What are you talking about, Miranda? Miranda? You don't have it! Miranda blooper. Bye. Miranda, say bye. I don't want to. Bye.